Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I got a big job, which is to move some plants to the balcony. As you can see, my rooftop garden, which faces the north, doesn't get much sun. It only gets sun for around 2 hours in a corner, which means those plants which need more sun would be much happier in my balcony facing south. Somehow I end up 20 of hydrangeas. What can I say? They are my favorites. Now, my big problem is how to fit them into this small balcony. I left some biggest ones in the rooftop. Luckily, I found some second-hand plant stands. This wooden one kind of fits our TV stand. So I'm just gonna clean it and put indoor plants on it. It fits quite well, don't you think? And these two metal ones, I originally wanted to put them outdoor because it won't get moldy. But right now, I'm gonna borrow it for my hydrangeas through next spring. So now I can put 2 or 3 plants on one stand, save some space. And this pot would raise up my lemon tree. And it will get much sunlight. Well, that was an accident. And it hurt. My husband just laughed at me. Usually, it would be him to help me to lift heavy plants. Which one should I pick first? I'll go with the small one. About a few weeks ago, I took off most of the leaves because my hydrangeas just grew crazy. And top leaves would block the sun for the bottom ones. Across fall to next spring is the best time for the new saplings to get sun. Well, Echo just said hello. So next year they'll grow new stem and flower. So the more sun it gets, the better it will grow. I think this chair is better placed here because where the stand is gets better sunlight. love the weather today, and so do they. I'll put this big one here so it will get some sunshine from early afternoon. Small ones can put in the middle so don't block the space. These are my dogs. The corgi is Momo and the white is Echo. They love playing while I'm busy with my flowers. I probably will move them around later because I might get some more plants in. There you go, that's my balcony now. I might move these leafy plants into the living room to keep them warm during Nanjing's cold winter. Time for a treat. And she wants it too. Thank you for watching my video.